All right. It's that time again, folks. That's right, you in the back. You guessed it, yard and garage sailing. So, if you're into that type of content, head over to your fridge, grab out your favorite beverage, head on back to your screen, and enjoy the show. Because it's looking like another day in paradise out here. Oh yeah, let's get it. Good morning. Good, you? All right.
Left it to the girls, I guess. Yeah. Throw them together. A package deal. Out the blanket, out the ball.
How much for the razor blade?
About $1.
All right. Sounds good to me. Another yard sale. Up ahead on the left. Good morning. You got it. What are you asking for the Wii bundle?
When she gets back out.
Okay, gotcha.
Hi.
Hello.
What do you want for the Wii bundle? $50 just because it's got all the things with it.
Gotcha. Okay. Did it have games? Just one game, huh?
Yeah, there's the dance
That's it?
game now.
Okay. Alright guys, enjoy your day.
Thanks.
Thank you. I've been there before. Reseller. I'm out of here. Shout out to the squirrel. Alright, look at that dog. Loose as a goose. Thank you. Alright, yard sale right here. Nothing at that sale. On to the next one we go. Hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
All right.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you.
Oh, really? Yeah, yeah. That would look good today.
Everything's negotiable on the tools.
All right.
Negotiable. Negotiable.
You have to invest $20 now.
Yeah. I was thinking 15, but you probably sell for 20. We'll talk to my wife. Let me put it in my room.
Yeah, that's a single generator.
Oh.
This is,
Yeah.
if you're familiar with this is an Altec. This measures temperature.
Oh, all right. That's what that is.
RTD.
Okay. Yeah.
RTD
It's like,
stuff.
yeah.
It is.
Oh. Okay. I don't use. I don't deal with any of that then.
I got test leads and everything for it.
Nice.
It's a high pressure set.
All kinds of goodies, huh? Yeah. How you doing today?
Hi, how you doing?
Good, thank you. Excuse me.
Last day, no matter what.
All right, back in the office. Was a long day today. I stopped at 40 yard sales. Here it is. Look all that. In only a few yard sales that I obtained these items. So, let me get right into it. First thing, I always grab these, for drawers. Did I say that right? Drawers. You get what I'm saying. Grab that. Keep getting these electronic testers. Man, this one's a goodie. By the way, if anyone's interested in any of this gear I'm about to show, hit me up on Instagram. That's where I'm at. Full time, full throttle. Check this out. Vintage music box inside. Check that out. Check out the hinges. What I was told was this was like a gift box. They used to put shot glasses in here and something else in here. I don't know. But it's a vintage shipped wooden musical liquor box. Okay, so yeah, the bottle will go here. That's what she said. Pretty cool, pretty wild. So beneath that, another vintage item. Diving mask. Really good condition. Still usable, actually. Man, thing's awesome. Look at that. Probably the 70s, I'm thinking. There's a name over there, but I'll have to research that. Another thing by Pokemon. I keep grabbing Pokemon items. Man, these things fly off the shelves. Anyways, little cool watch for the kids, for those grown-ups. Below that, another one. You believe it? This time with a manual. Above that, just a cheap little camera. It does 8 megapixels. But a lot of people love these oldies. These are older cameras. So up here, a laptop by Dell. It's just a Windows 7, the Vista, I believe. Below that, a couple of games. That's for the UMD PSP, and of course the Wii. I always grab games, so in the future I can bundle those with other games, make it a bigger lot. Below that, pair of headphones. I go through those like nothing. To the left of that, I wish this was a Gillette. It's not. But it's made by Micro Touch One. Came with a few razors. And I think that's it for the table. Let me see. Yeah, we'll go on to the floor. Then I spent all kinds of money on these electronics. So first things first is that big sucker with the keyboard and the mouse. And then off to the left of that one, another one. This one's a little smaller than the other one. And again, keyboard, mouse. Then I grabbed an iPad, I believe, yeah, iPad. And I grabbed an iPod. This one has a little bit of damage over here, but it's just surface damage. This one has a ding down here, but it still works. Anyways, I almost forgot. And the photo. Cool little photo. It's one of those, it's a series, 293 of 350. I forgot the guy's name, but there it is. Cool little pan. Not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. Could be up for grabs, could keep it. I don't know what the hell's going on. But I appreciate you guys and gals coming in, checking out this little haul. A little haul with all kinds of stops. Crazy. Anyways, thanks again. Guys and gals, have a good one. Cheers.